A revolutionary leader in Malik, a twisted engineering dropout in Joji, a mysterious invader in Irul, and a skilled IT guy in See You Soon. What a fantastic year it has been for Fafa. Fahad Fasil has starred in 4 releases in just 1 year. While other actors and movie industries have struggled to cope with the pandemic, this one man has given us one banger after another. Many have compared him to great Indian actors like Mohanlal, Kamal Haasan, Irfan, Surya and Rajnikant. And that makes one wonder, is Fahad Fasil the new Indian superstar? Now there are so many things that make him a great actor. Let's begin with his choice of characters. Pick up any of Fahad's characters and you will see one similarity. They all are relatable, everyday people. People you can see simply walking down the streets. You look at him and you don't see a conventional superhero. His receding hairline, small stature and soft voice make him unlike the common alpha heroes that our movies are dominated with. As opposed to other grandiose entrances, he enters the movies in subtle ways with no grand opening sequences or hyped songs. And he is always seen with minimal makeup and simple everyday clothing. But Fahad's characters are always layered. He's never simply the hero or the villain. He brings his own touch to the characters that make them showcase complex human emotions and behaviors. In Super Deluxe, he is the husband who's seen helping his wife, but only to prevent his own name from going bad. And in Thondimudalam Driksakshiyam, which is one of Fahad's earlier and best works, he's a thief. Despite the fact that he steals, you just cannot help sympathizing with him. Such is the complex brilliance of this man. Everything aside, for me, the brilliance of Fahad lies in the nuances of his acting, especially his eyes. A lot has been said about how beautifully he acts using his eyes, but no praise can ever be enough. Just one look at his eyes and you can feel so many emotions instantly. For example, in the scene from 22 Female Kotem, when Cyril wakes up after being heavily sedated, his eyelids remain half closed. When Tessa reveals that she has removed his male organ, his eyes dart around rapidly. Pain, anger, helplessness, all are conveyed just through his expressions, without a single word being spoken. In Annayum Rasoolum, this moment shows love at first sight, conveyed just through the eyes of Rasool. He stares at Anna and his eyes refuse to move. And who can forget this famous kitchen scene from Kumbalangi Nights? It makes you feel so uncomfortable, and that's because throughout the 1 minute long scene, Shammi doesn't blink, not even once. In the same movie, we see him using mirrors very often. When he looks at himself, his eyes tell us how proud he feels about his masculinity. Joji also makes use of mirrors, but this time, his eyes are able to portray a different emotion altogether, or rather, a narrative. Just through his eyes, looking at the mirror, he is able to converse with Binsi and convey his plan. His magic also lies in his movements. It's as if he acts with every muscle in his body, so much so that you just can't look away. For example, in See You Soon, all we see is his upper body at most times, and just that much is enough for this actor. In Irul, for a long time Fahad's character is tied, and even during those moments, we can truly feel his extreme emotions just by the way he helplessly moves his body. The case of Joji is the complete opposite. Here, he uses his full body to convey extreme frustration and urgency. Fahad Fasil also has the unique ability to change emotions instantly. In the same film, he can deliver dialogues that portray completely different emotions with a lot of ease. For example, in Super Deluxe, he's really angry when he's sitting in the car with his wife. But in an instant, he goes into a crying fit. Irul is another example in which he showcases his wide range of emotions. In the first half, he's this poised, mysterious man, and in the second half, he seamlessly becomes the agitated intruder. Unlike a lot of heroes, Fahad's dialogue delivery never seems forced. He knows how to take any dialogue and just make it his own. Even when he's delivering important dialogues that really comment upon the state of social affairs, he doesn't make them feel like inspirational speeches or sermons. He's just a regular man with everyday problems. On top of that, he never shies from experimentation. He works well with the vision of those behind the lens, and because of this, his characters become a masterclass in the use of space. While on one hand we have Kumbalangi Nights, where his character moves across Kochi, on the other is Irul, where he's limited to just one house. And in both of these, he does wonders. He is also a force that cannot be stopped because of budget constraints. While he has produced and been a part of big budgeted films like Malik, he has also produced See You Soon, which is literally shot on an iPhone. Fahad is one of the rare actors who does great even when he is not the lead. In fact, in Bangalore days, he let younger actors like Nivin Pauly and Dulquer Salmaan take the limelight. And in Takeoff, Fahad gladly played second fiddle to Parvati Tiruvoth. Fahad is so relatable that he has come to be loved all over India. Now, Malayalam cinema has given us a lot of gems, with strong storylines and realistic characters. This industry has done wonders with direction, cinematography, and music. And it has been doing this for ages. But it's only now that a lot of Indians have been exposed to this magic, thanks to OTTs. Captions available in platforms like Netflix, Hotstar, and Prime Videos have allowed people from all around the country to discover Malayalam movies, especially during the pandemic. When people watched these films, Fahad was a constant, and this created an excitement around him. All of these points that make him a superstar were out in front of the whole country. People from different states showered him with love. He is no more an actor from the south, but a pan-Indian superstar. One who questions the stereotypical understanding of heroes, brings acting brilliance, and provides us with one gem after another. If you're a film buff like Nutshell, don't forget to check our Bollywood Decoded series. We love to dissect and discuss films, music, and anything pop culture. So drop a comment about what other actor, film, or theme you'd like us to discuss. And yes, don't forget to show us your love by liking and sharing this video.